Who's ready to buy a car? Him? Her? Are they ready to buy? What about them? What if your marketing partner could tell you which shoppers you should connect with and what they needed? Like who's getting their first itch, who's found their dream car, and who's still looking for theirs? You would spend less time and money guessing and more time connecting. What if you could also optimize your marketing plan by the minute and you always knew where to spend your next dollar most effectively? The Sincro Advertising platform was designed to maximize your marketing ROI. We use an industry-leading collection of car buyer data to target the right shoppers with the right message in the right channel at the right time. The who, what, where, and when of automotive shoppers. What's it going to take to put them in your showroom today? How about the right partner? It's time to take the lead with the Sincro Advertising platform.